Here's some parliamentary democracy trivia. Subscribe. Which country has a parliamentary system and a monarch as head of state? Is it A, United Kingdom, B, Canada, C, Australia, or Japan? The correct answer is A, United Kingdom. Which political party is traditionally associated with the left in the UK? Is it A, Conservative Party, B, Liberal Democrats, C, Labour Party, or D, UK Independence Party? The correct answer is C, Labour Party. What term describes the system where the executive branch derives its legitimacy from the legislature? Is it A, dictatorship, B, presidential system, C, federal system, or D, parliamentary system? The correct answer is D, parliamentary system. What is the name of the upper house in the UK Parliament? Is it A, National Assembly, B, House of Lords, C, Council of Ministers, or D, Senate? The correct answer is B, House of Lords. What is the process called for forming a government when no party gains a majority? Is it A, bipartisan agreement, B, proportional representation, C, unilateral mandate, or D, coalition government? The correct answer is D, coalition government. Which country's parliamentary elections occur every 4 years? Is it A, New Zealand, B, France, C, South Africa, or D, Argentina? The correct answer is A, New Zealand. Which South Asian country has a parliamentary democracy and a president? Is it A, Afghanistan, B, Bhutan, C, Bangladesh, or D, India? The correct answer is C, Bangladesh. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.